You've seen glimpses of our 69 Firebird. Today, we're going to give you the full story. What's been done, where it currently sits, and what's next.
I got this car when I was 16 years old. I made a deal with my dad. If I could get it running, I could keep it. And within a couple hours, we did. I got to work right away, ordering new parts and trying to bring this car back to life. We got some new tires and fixed the suspension, did some wiring to get the lights on again, and then of course something had to happen. The freeze plugs cracked, so I pulled the heads off to get them rebuilt. Once they got back and I started installing them, I decided to make the whole engine look better. So I repainted the intake and the valve covers, got a new filter and some new plug wires. Once the engine was set, it was time to get the rest of the car ready. New headlights, new grille, some of the interior done, and then my dad told me to get out of the driveway. So I found this little one-car garage and we had the car brought over. Once it was here, we spent some time wiring up the rest of the car, new LED brake lights, and even a new EFI system. But once it started, it wasn't running right and there was tons of leaks. So I decided to take the whole engine apart and see what was going on. And I found some bad issues. So we decided, screw it, let's just rebuild the whole thing. So we took the engine out.
And that brings us to where we are today.
No engine, it's torn apart. No transmission, it's on the floor. Kylo, no suspension, it doesn't exist. And no interior. Engine's already been fully torn apart and there's pieces all over the garage. The next thing we're going to do to it is send it out to a machine shop to get it fully checked over, and once we get it back, we'll put it all back together. The subframe and firewall are fully sanded and prepped for a fresh coat of paint. After that, we're going to be installing some brand new QA1 suspension and Willwood big brakes. Once all that's done, there will be a nice pretty home for the freshly built engine. We got a lot of work to do on the interior as well. It's got nice new carpet, but all the wiring needs to be done. We still need more seats. I built this one myself, but it didn't turn out too great. And we got to install the whole dash. So, oh, and the headliner's missing. And there's a whole bunch of parts in here that have somewhere to go, like the radiator, intake, torque converter, and the core support. But you'll see all that in a future episode.
All right, so as you can tell, it's not going to be overnight and it sure isn't going to be cheap.
So if you want to support the build, be sure to check out stedfastauto.com. We have this awesome Firebird inspired shirt, and we have a bunch of other cool things too.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. We might have some plans here with the garage, and we may have found ourselves a new shop truck.
Yeah, so see you guys next time. Stay steadfast.
Stay steadfast. Let's do it!
Let's do it.